How's it going today? This is Luke Robinson with Jack Burford Chevrolet. I'm the mobile service tech here, and today we're going to be doing a tour of our biggest van, Bertha. Just follow along. So over here we have our toolbox. This is all of our tools, power tools, and hand tools. Got our battery charging station here for all battery powered things. On this side, we've got our two inverters that power the van. Down here is our onboard air compressor. Over here is our floor jacks for lifting the vehicles. Here is our balancing machine for balancing tires. Come over here. This is our tire changing machine for doing on the road tire changes. Can do full tire, all four tires, no problem with this machine here. Over here on the left side, we've got our oil tanks and our oil pumps. This pumps the new oil into the vehicle. This is our used oil tank, and this is where the new oil is. And then over here in the back, this is the oil pump that pumps the oil out of the vehicle. And that makes sure that there's no mess, no drips in your driveway. Thank you guys for coming along today for the mobile service van tour. If you do need to schedule any service, you can go to our website at jackburford.com and schedule the services for your vehicle. Stay tuned to follow along with our mobile service adventures.